hope y'all can hear me okay. I know my GoPro likes to be down sometimes. I drove past this. I had my camera. I wasn't even recording or anything. I had to go back. I'm lost for words. How? What the fuck? Bro, how? Dude, I can't. There's an R32 here, an R33, clean 3000 GT, and then an authentic R34. What is up, guys? dgwhip here, back again for another video. Now I'm doing a little bit of post commentary here as I go over this really beautiful R34 Skyline. I've never seen one in person. This is the first time I've seen one in person. Yeah, I'm doing post commentary. A lot of the GoPro audio is just no good, and I wasn't even talking a lot anyway, so I'm just gonna voice over a little bit. Yeah, this was probably one of the best cars here, and there's a lot of cool cars. Right here is a right-hand drive Toyota Supra, mostly stock, but it's so beautiful, so clean. It reminds me of Evan Shank's Toyota Supra. Definitely a dream car of mine. I would want to get my Supra in right-hand drive. But yeah, there was just amazing cars at this meet. I don't remember who hosted it, but it was such a cool meet. There was food trucks, drinks. They're giving out $5 joints there, believe it or not. Yeah, it's pretty chill here in Vegas. Yeah, there's this R33, this beautiful R33. I actually prefer the R33 over the R32, in my opinion. I think it's a very underrated Skyline. And the bride seat and the shifter, this is just so well done. Right-hand drive too, really amazing car. And then right next to it is the R32. Yeah, this meet was just insane. There's a DJ and everything. There was probably like 200 some cars here. Like the whole park was full, and there was a lot of parking, trust me. And by the way, if any of you guys are in Vegas and you guys want to go to a car meet or cruise with us, you're welcome to hit me up. I'm always down, especially because I'm still not even working right now. I have a lot of free time, and going to these car meets are really fun, and it's a really cool way to just get to know the car people here. The car community here in Vegas is really amazing. There's really amazing builds and really awesome people, and it's really cool out here. A really beautiful 3000 GT, and you'll see my buddy Isaac getting hella hype because this is like his favorite car. He drives a 05 Subaru Legacy GT. It's actually really cool. I don't see really any of those around, but they're really underrated. They're basically STIs. They have the same engine of that year. It's turboed and everything. Yeah. And as you can see here, there's just a lot of cars, a lot of people. Here's a really beautiful 370Z that has a Japanese lettering. I love how this looks. This just looks so clean and so just nice. Like, I can't even put words on it. I definitely would want to drive this around. Really clean wheel setup. I believe those were ESRs. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, the Nismo 370Z. And then I think whoever's Jenny was the host. You see my buddy's Legacy, and you see my G right there. And yeah, this meet was just crazy. I was here for about an hour and a half. The Weeb mobiles, we always see those. Those are my buddies Arkiel and Kyle. We got the clean IS300 hatch. I never really see those either. Pretty rare. And then the Forester, I believe it's the old Forester. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not an expert. This bag Chevy Cruze here. Look at that tank and trunk setup. Pretty clean. This is a girl-driven Mustang, but she is taken. Unfortunately, every car girl is always taken. This Volkswagen has some pretty crazy rims. I've never seen those before. I really like people that go crazy on the rims, like just rims that are just really unorthodox and out of this world that I've never seen before. There's always a crowd killer gang at every car meet. What is a car meet without the crowd killers? Except this Mustang right here on the left is really clean. This one, oh wow, dude. This one's basically perfect. And it's funny because I spoke to this dude, and he said he owned it for about 20 years. And for him to keep it in this shape for that long is just insane. He really cares about this car. It is just perfect inside and out. It literally looks brand spanking new. You gotta give it to him. And there's always the Miatas that looking like crap, but they still run. We got a Celica that isn't too bad. I still don't like how the Celica looks, and that's why a lot of people just don't really go with that platform. Oh, but here's the Z28 here with the supercharger sticking out of the hood with the custom headlights and the beefy tires. You know he's putting down power. Clean 300ZX. And then we got the GTO here. I didn't get every single car, there was just too many to go over, but I just got some of my favorites. But yeah. We got a few chargers here. Some bag chargers. Look at the lights in the brake rotors. That's pretty unique. It's pretty clean. It's got an Instagram on the side. They change colors too. Really nice trunk setup. I really appreciate a really lit trunk setup. It kind of makes me want to do one. I don't even really have a sound system, and I don't really care that much about like a bumping sound system. That's just me though. But yeah. A lot of cars here, a lot of cars. Got the TC. See a lot of people are rocking the TCs now. They're a cool platform. Plus they're reliable too as well. Don't click off too soon though. I did save the best for last. There was Supras and GTRs and a bunch of that stuff at the end, and there's also this 370Z that was pretty insane. I think we're about to get to here in a second after I show you this CRX. These cars are actually really cool. I never can find them in good shape, but like these would be really cool track cars. He has a NOS kit in the back, which is pretty sick. Oh, he does track it. Oh yeah, here is this 370Z. I'll let you listen. Yeah, that thing was loud, and I felt those pops in my chest, and I thought I could handle it, and then my ears started ringing, and man, that was insane. That is the kind of tune that I need. I need to have a decent relationship with his tuner in the near future. This is a clean G35. I don't see a lot of G35s. I see a lot of 350Zs now, and maybe that's just Vegas, but I prefer the G35. That's just me. Everybody gets 350Zs. Here is really cool. 7 GTRs, R35s in a row. Look at that. That's insane. I don't even know which one's my favorite. I kind of want to say the red one, but then there's the Nismo one right here, which is pretty sick. Man, these are cool cars. And to see 7 in a row is just crazy. Yeah, this is like a whole nother lot, by the way. Like I've been walking around for quite some time at this point. If you can tell, the daylight has gone down. So this was a really, really big meet, as you can see. Really cool to see a bunch of GTRs in a row. And then here we have 2 2020 Supras right here with the emerald green. Really, really nice. And then we have the matte white on the other side. I think I actually like the matte white one a little more. Never seen one up close. It's really cool. They're really pretty cars. Personally for me, I think they should have just not called it the Supra. They should have just called it something else, and then it probably would have been a really, really good car. Well, I guess that's the end of the video, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you like this content, please do subscribe. And until then, I guess I will see you guys next time.